All right, so we got a lot of champions in attendance, but now that Roberto Duran is here, we're going to cut it a little short, and we're going to hear a couple of words from Alexander Usyk and Katie Taylor.
70 Cup. Hi everybody. Hi everybody. I'm happy to be here. Listen, I have 4 belts, yeah? Now 3. A lot of people say, hey, you're not undisputed champion. Okay, it's temporary. But I have 4 belts. But my favorite, it's green color every time. Every time. More green, yeah. Thank you so much. Mauricio, thank you so much what you do. I like Thailand. I first time, but I like. I will back. Thank you.
Thank you so much.